Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Maria Cristina Olivera.
How old are you?
I am 29 years old.
What is your religion?
I am Christian.
Are you married?
Single.
Okay, do you have kids?
No.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes. 2 years.
In where?
In Philippines.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
I am working 2 years.
Okay, where's your employer living in?
They are living in Taipo.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
It's 2,100.
Okay, how many family member there?
They are 4 in the family.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 6 a.m. every day, and I start my work 6:30 a.m. and then I finish my work at 10 p.m.
Okay, so what do you do in the afternoon or in the morning?
In the morning first, I give foods my pets. After that, I do the cleaning, the first floor and the outside, and then car washing. And then after that, I do the laundry, and then go ahead for the other parts of the house, like second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and the rooftop.
Okay.
And after that, in the afternoon, I will do the ironing, and then sometimes I cook, but this is optional because my employers is always go to eat in the restaurant. That's why sometimes I only cook sometimes.
Okay.
And then after that, I do some small cleaning, repeat cleaning in the afternoon, checking the outside if there's need to clean or retouch. That's it.
Okay, so so what time you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Okay, thank you so much.